Hello friends, welcome to Squaird Plans, where creative planning and organization comes to life. I'm Stephanie, and today I'll be creating a morning routine planner insert to help me stay on task and eliminate distractions, so come plan with me. And I got some washi tape here ready to go, along with the fine liner that I'll be using, some ink and some wooden stamps, these Happy Planner sticker books, this Paper Studio sticker book, and this Live Love Posh sticker book, which I'll pull from. Okay, you guys, so I've already pre-planned out the look of this spread. This is going to be the first of 3 routines that I'm going to be including in my planner for 2024, and I want them to all kind of have a similar look. I've already pre-printed this insert on my standard paper with an hourly schedule in the center, a weekly overview, and then some grid paper on the front and the back so that I could do my morning routine. And also too, I'll be doing a block schedule on the back. If you want to know more about routine building, I have a series on my channel that goes through all of the steps to create your routine from scratch. And I will link that above as well as in the description below in case you want more information on how to approach routine building. So this is, like I said, the first of the 3 routines that I'll be doing, and I wanted to kind of get a feel for what stickers to use and how I wanted it to look. I decided to keep this one kind of minimal and clean. I used the florals from the Live Love Posh sticker book. Really like that kind of neutral outlined floral look with the watercolor florals mixed in, and thought that would be a really nice basis for the decor of this insert. I've also placed in a large clock that says Coffee Oak Clock. Got that out of the Girl with Goals sticker book from the Happy Planner, and just really liked the look of that here on this morning routine layout. I've also added in some lettering that says morning routine that came from the Paper Studio sticker book from Hobby Lobby. I picked up quite a few years ago now, but just thought that the lettering was a good match for the look of this theme. I also pulled in that AM and PM sticker from that sticker book as well. The daily checklist is right below that, and I got that from the Boss Babe sticker book. On the top and the bottom, there is a long kind of watercolor sticker strip that I got from the neutral watercolor sticker book from the Happy Planner. And then I just layered that with some dot patterned washi that, again, I've had in my stash for a while, so I'm not real sure where that one originated. Now I'm going to go ahead and lay over some stickers, these rounded stickers, which will hold the time segments that I'll be tracking on this routine insert. And those came from the Sophisticated Floral sticker book, I believe. I also found this super cute kind of black alarm clock. Again, another good one for a morning routine from the Boss Babe sticker book. A couple other little smaller stickers here, these checklists from Girls with Goals, and then the to-do circle, which I think came out of the Sophisticated Florals, if I'm not mistaken. So then I have all of the baseline stickers in. I'm going to start putting in the time segments using these stamps that I got. Actually, I thrifted not too long ago, and they're brand new, which is kind of nice. I didn't realize that they were unused. So I'm just using a little bit of archive ink in black and hand stamping in each of the time segments. I did do a brief kind of sketch up of how I wanted the times to break down. So I'm looking off camera to get what the time should be in each of these 7 areas. One of the things that I was thinking about with this morning routine, in the past, I've gone quite a bit farther out with the AM schedule that I use, but I'm trying to limit things to no more than 2 hours. So the time segments I'm working with are from 7 to 9, And I am breaking it down a little bit more refined than I have in the past because, again, things start to slip away from me. I get distracted by social media, and then I also like to just sip my coffee and waste time in the morning. And I really don't want to do that. So I'm trying to eliminate some of that wasted time by really defining where I should be at what points in the morning. So the first thing I have in there is to wake up at 7, and then at 7:05, I want to go check my weight first thing as I get up and then get dressed for working out. I do work out 5 days a week, so for the most part, that'll be pretty consistent. And at 7:15, I'll go downstairs, start the coffee, open up the windows, and bring some light into the house. After that, I'll get started with my more routine stuff of checking my social stats and sales and doing any social posting and checking in, but limiting that. And then at 8 o'clock, we'll jump in on the planner updates, and then I set aside half an hour at the end there for some faith time, kind of close things out. I used to do my faith part more at the top of the schedule, but I found that working backwards has kind of started to be a little bit better because then I don't have things hanging over me, distracting me from what I want to focus in on the faith. So I made that adjustment. And now I've got a few things that I want to add in here. I just thought that it was looking good, but a little bit sparse. So maybe we could add in a little bit more color or just some different items I skimmed across as I was setting up the decor in the beginning. Just trying a few things, but not really finding too much that I felt was a good fit for the spread. I do like the balance of the black now, having that little black stapler I got from that Boss Babe sticker book. It just really helps kind of balance out the 3 areas of black on the spread. I have that to-do sticker, but I just thought it was a little too small for the space and a little awkward, so I found another one that says today's list, which I thought was a better fit for the space and looked nice and clean there at the top. So I'll just move the to-do sticker down to the bottom, and I think that works well with the achieved sticker that I put down there. I think that'll pretty much do it for us, friends. Not too much, but simple and cute and a great start to my routine building. I, of course, forgot to clean out the hole, so I'll do that while I wrap things up. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up down below. Also, too, go ahead and leave me a comment if you'd like to get in touch, and think about subscribing to my channel if you haven't already, if you'd like to see more of my videos. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate it. And we'll see you next time. Bye.